Assalamualaikum pupils. Hello, welcome to English Year 2 with Teacher Umu. Our topic for today is Weather Diary. Welcome to our virtual class. For today's lesson, please prepare your Superminds book. Before we start, do you still remember weather? Look at the symbols. Can you still remember how to say the weathers in English? Let's recap together. What weather is this? Do you know? It's sunny. The weather is sunny. How about this? Do you remember what is this weather? Yes, it's raining. The symbol is for raining. Let's look at the next one. What about this symbol? Do you know what the weather is? The weather is hot. It's hot. Good job. Now let's look at the next question. Can you tell me what is this weather? You're right. It's snowing. Now let's look at the next one. How about this weather? Do you know? Can you tell me? Let's check. It's cloudy. Good job. It's cloudy. Now let's look at the last question. It's very easy. Do you know the weather? Yes, it's cold. Very good, pupils. For today's lesson, we will learn about postcard and also weather diary. First, let's look at postcards. You may open your Superminds book, page 115. Postcards are cards that we use to write and send messages using the post. Usually it has a pretty picture on the other side of the card. You can place your stamp on the card and write the address on the right side and also your messages on the left side. Activity 1. Read and draw lines. Before we start doing this activity, do you still remember our previous topic on countries and weather? You may refer to page 114. Do you still remember this map and the countries? Let's look together. Look at the map and let's read the sentences. Number 1, it's hot and sunny in Mexico. Number 2, it's cold and snowing in Scotland. Number 3, it's raining in Japan. And number 4, it's cloudy in Italy. Now let's look back at our first activity. Now let's read the number 1 postcard together. Dear Nathan, my holiday is great. It's snowing. It's very cold, but it's fun. Bye, Daisy. Now, look at the keywords. The keywords in this postcard are it's snowing and it's very cold. Now, look at the pictures on the right. Picture A, Picture B, and Picture C. Can you guess which picture is for this keyword? Let me give you a clue. I've given you the countries and their weathers on the bottom of the page. Look at the symbols of weather for each country and try to guess. Which country is this? Look at the keywords. It's snowing. It's very cold. Try to find the symbols. Which country is it? Which country? Yes, it's Scotland. Now look at the pictures. Guess which picture is for Scotland? You are right. It's picture B. Picture B is for Scotland. You can see that it's snowing and they are wearing very thick clothes, which means it's very cold. Now, let's get back to this one. Now we know that picture B is Scotland and we can match number 1 to picture B. Good job, pupils. Now, let's look at number 2. Let's read together. Dear Emily, it's hot here, very hot. It's sunny. I'm very brown. How are you? By Dylan. The keywords in here are it's hot here, and it's sunny. So, which country is this? It's hot and it's sunny. Yes, you are right. It's Mexico. And you can see from picture A, B, and C, picture C is for Mexico because it is sunny. Now, we can write Mexico on picture C and we can match number 2 to picture C. The last one, number 3. Dear Adam, it's raining here, but it's very beautiful. See you soon. Bye, Andrea. The keywords are it's raining. So, which country is it if it is raining? Which country? Yes, it's Japan. And the only choice left is picture A. But you can also see there is someone wearing an umbrella. We use our umbrella when it is raining. So, the answer is picture A. Picture A is Japan, and we can match it with postcard number 3. Okay, our next topic is weather diary. This is for your project. For this project, you will need number 1, a piece of paper. You can use A4 papers or any drawing papers that you have. Number 2, a ruler. And number 3, colored pencils. Before we start with the project, do you still remember the days of the week? Let's recap together. Monday, hari Isnin. Tuesday, hari Selasa. Wednesday, hari Rabu. Thursday, hari Kamis. Friday, hari Jumaat. Saturday, hari Sabtu. And Sunday, hari Ahad. Now, what you have to do is, on a piece of paper, write the title. The title for our project is The Weather. You can write it using your own creativity. Next, you may draw a table just as shown in the picture. Then, make sure you have 7 columns for 7 days. Write the days in each of the columns. As you can see, I've written down the days for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now, next to each of those days, you have to observe the weather in your place. Look at the weather in your place or around your house, and then write the weather that you see. For example, how's the weather? Sunny? Is it raining? Is it cold? Is it cloudy? Or is it snowing or very hot? Which one is it? Look at the weather and write. For example, you can say, if you see on Sunday that it is sunny, you can write, it's sunny today. And you must write at least 2 weathers for each day. For example, you can also write, it's very hot, according to the weather that you see on that day. And for the next day, repeat the same steps. For example, you can say, on Monday, it's cold and rainy today. Or if on Tuesday, the next day, you see that the weather is cold and cloudy. So you can write, it's cold and cloudy today. And continue until Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday until you've completed the entire week. You may send the picture of your completed work to your teacher. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Terima kasih kerana anda telah like, share dan subscribe serta tekan tombol loceng. Bye, jumpa lagi di video akan datang.